Hey guys, so today we are going to be solving problems by following order of operations. So if you look at number 1, we have 14 plus 7 times 2 plus 6. When following order of operations, we have to do our multiplication and division before we do any addition and subtraction. So if you look, we have to solve 7 times 2 first. So let's bring down our 14, bring down our plus sign. 7 times 2 gets us 14. Bring down our plus 6. Now, since we just have all addition, we can add those together, and we are left with 34 as our final answer. Now let's take a look at number 2. We have parentheses 9 plus 30 divided by 5, end parentheses, plus 2 to the third power. When following order of operations, it goes parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Okay, so we need to do our parentheses first. Inside our parentheses, we have 9 plus 30 divided by 5. Remember, we have to do division and multiplication before addition, so we have to start with 30 divided by 5. Bring down our parentheses, bring down our 9, plus 30 divided by 5 gets us 6. And we can bring down the rest of the problem. Inside our parentheses, we still have 9 plus 6, which gets us 15. Bring down our plus sign, bring down our 2 to the third power. Now we can complete 2 to the third power, which if you remember from exponents is 2 times 2 times 2, which should get us the answer 8. So back up to our problem, we have 15 plus 8, which gives us a final answer of 23. For number 3, we have parentheses 4 squared minus 14 divided by 2, end parentheses, plus 6 times 2. So remember, we need to look inside our parentheses first, and inside we see an exponent. An exponent comes before division, so we need to start with our 4 squared. So we have 4 squared is 4 times 4, which gets us 16. So 16, bring down the rest of our problem. Then back inside our parentheses, we have 14 divided by 2 needs to come before we do our subtraction. So we have 16 minus 14 divided by 2 is 7, plus 6 times 2. Still have a parentheses, so 16 minus 7 gets us 9. And then we have 9 plus 6 times 2. Multiplication and division come before addition and subtraction. So we know we have to do 6 times 2 first. And we're left with 9 plus 12 and an answer of 21. Go ahead and flip the paper over and try some practice problems.